And it's as easy as this. All you do is save this image to your PC, come over to this website over here, click on upload, and boom, you can start to see automatic payments online, anywhere ranging from $8 to $100.61, just like I have and just like these people are over here. So this is not going to be affiliate marketing, this is not going to be selling anything, this is not going to be drop shipping, and this is not going to be YouTube or making content. This will not make you rich, but it's a great way to make some extra money online that you could invest into a more sustainable business such as affiliate marketing or drop shipping or drop servicing to make boatloads of money online. This is very fast to set up. It doesn't take a lot of time at all. All it takes is understanding each and every step that I'm going to explain to you in this video. So it's crucial if you want to succeed at this and make automatic money online like this to watch this until the end. And you don't need any money to get started. It's completely free, and this is not some upsell to some $2,000 course. This is a free video here on YouTube for you to make some money online, and this works all over the world. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay from the Millionaire Mindset Plus channel, and on this channel I'm uploading daily and giving away daily over $100 courses completely for free, and at the same time teaching people how to make money online. So if you want to work from home, become an online entrepreneur, work at those goals to reach your dreams, whether it's a car that you're saving for, that dream house, or whatever it may be, definitely go down below and subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value pack video and course just like this one. So in this video, as promised, I'm doing a giveaway in every single video. I have this Instagram marketing secrets course to help you make money on Instagram off the mobile app and off your mobile phone, so you don't actually even need a laptop for this. So this giveaway right here, if you want to come and download this to your, so this over here is the download button to this course. If you want to get to this landing page, all I ask is leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. You need to subscribe down below with the bell on. I can see the percentage of people with their bell on, and comment down below something positive or your favorite quote, and I'll reply with the landing page link and the download link to this course. Without further ado, let's get straight into this. Alright guys, so we're now on my Google browser. Over here, we can start off and we need to go and search for any kind of images. It could be anything. It could be, for example, a dog wallpaper. Let's just type in dog wallpaper. We're going to come over to images over here, and here you can see a ton of Google images, but do remember a lot of these do have copyright issue. So there's an easy way around that. All you got to do is click on the tools button over here, click on usage rights, and click on Creative Commons licenses. This means these are pictures that you are allowed to go and use as your own without any license issues or worrying about any copyright issues. So let's just search dog, maybe not dog wallpaper, maybe more pictures will come up. Yes, this is perfect. So over here you can see a ton of different pictures that you can go and use as basically stock photos without any copyright issues to go and make this kind of money online over here. So make sure to keep watching so you can see how we're going to turn pictures like this into money like this. So the first thing that we need to do, guys, and it doesn't really matter what kind of image you choose. You can choose cars, you can choose cats, you can choose anything that you like. But the first step is we need to go and save a photo. Let's choose this one over here with these puppy with these droopy eyes. It looks quite cute. So all we can do is you want to right click on save image, and just click on save image over here, and it's going to download this image to your PC. And just to make sure that we save this image in the right format, come over to the folder where you've downloaded this image, right click on it, click on open with over here, and click on Microsoft Paint. Over here, click on file, click on save, and click on JPEG image, and save this in the same folder that you've saved this with, for example number 2, and click on save. Click on OK. So this means this image over here is now in the correct JPEG format. Sometimes when you download pictures off Google, it's in the incorrect format, so we can now delete the original picture as we've resaved this picture in the correct JPEG format. And once that's done, that's going to lead us to our next step, which is fairly simple. All that is leave a like on this video if you're enjoying it so far. I would really appreciate that, and don't be afraid to leave any comments down below, and don't forget so far about the giveaway that I'm doing at the end of this video, so make sure to keep watching for that. So the next website that we're going to visit is this website over here. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. And this website is very similar to that of Google Drive. So if you think of Google Drive, you can upload files to the cloud internet service or cloud storage service. We can share files, upload them, download them, etc. We can do what we like. Except with this website, every time you upload a file and somebody downloads that, you're gonna make money per download. So just to show you, if I click on proof of payments and the make money tab, I want to show you how we can go and make money for this. So take a look at this. Upload files, download files and you're going to earn money. Take a look at this. If I scroll down to the bottom, look at all the ways that you can get paid. Bitcoin, PayPal, Visa, Perfect Money, PayZA, Web Money, Cash Plus, Payoneer, Vodafone, Skrill, Money Express. They're paying in every single method accepted in the world. So whether you're in India, whether you're in the United States, South Africa, whatever it is, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, you can go and get paid, whether you want to get paid via Bitcoin, or if PayPal is not accepted in your country, you can just go use Visa straight to your bank. It's accepted everywhere. And if I come back to the top up here, and I click on proof of payments, it's going to take me to this tab over here where you can actually see proof of people earning from this. So this person over here got paid today $100.61, $19.93, $55.34, $70, $105. So people are getting paid solid money from this. And all they're doing is uploading and downloading different files or different photos through this website. And this website has so far paid a total of $58,000, which is really not bad. But what I really like about this site, it's still fairly new, so it's not oversaturated at all. So it's the perfect time to make use of this website, because at this time right now, it's paying the most money to its users. And from here, all we need to do is come back to this website over here called uploadship.com, where we can upload, share, and manage files completely for free. All we do is click to upload over here. We can then click over here where it says choose your file, come back to the folder where we saved this image, click on open. And once this is done, click on these three dots over here. And this is where the magic happens. So this link over here is the link. When people click on this, download this image, you're going to earn money per download. So all we do is click on copy image just to show you how this works. If I paste this in my browser, click on enter, and then all they need to do is click on this download file button over here, and it then downloads to your PC. You will see how this website makes money is through various different ads and monetization through this link. You can see over here, they've got they're promoting some premium accounts over here. So that is how you make your money, because people are running ads on this page and you're getting a commission for every download that someone makes through this link. But make sure to keep watching, because this next step is quite crucial. So we actually need to come back to uploadship.com. We need to click on join us over here and sign up our accounts. Over here, we just enter our title, our first name, our last name, and the rest of this information. It will then take you to a brand new account that looks like this. So over here, you can see you've got 8 terabytes of free storage. So if you think of Google Drive that only offers 15 gigs free, this platform is free and offers over 8 terabytes, which is a lot of storage to have on this drive to share with people and to make money from. So all we can do is we can click on upload here again, drag and drop the same picture. The reason why it's not showing up here because I wasn't signed in my account when I uploaded that first picture. And over here you can see the amount of downloads that you get. I just uploaded this now. So all you do is you click on this. Over here is your download link. So now what we need to go and do is I want to show you something, and this is where we're going to make boatloads of money with this. Take a look at this Instagram page over here called Stock Photos. And what they do is they collect a whole bunch of stock photos, and I actually want to show you how you can make a lot of money from this. But I want you to notice if I click on, for example, this website or picture over here, you can see they've kind of got this like a watermark on these pictures. So what they do is they upload this picture to the Instagram page. They're building a following basis, also like this page over here, uploading stock photos. And for example, over here, they have like a membership option where people can download the full quality images. But all you can do is you can include your download link in the bio, and you can upload, for example, like a version of this picture that we got on Google, and just add like a watermark. So all we do is we come over to Google, we go watermark your photo, just type in this into Google, click on enter, choose this website over here, watermark.ws, click on get started, click select from computer, upload the same image, click then on edit selected. Over here you can click on watermark at the bottom, click on text, and we can just, for example, type link in bio for full image. And then we can do is we just download this to your PC, click on finish, and then click save as a template. Over here we can click on download. You just need to log in with your account, and once that picture is done with your watermark, you can go and create an entire Instagram page and get a few photos going and post about 2 to 3 times a day. But I want to show you a little Instagram hack. Here's another page over here that's doing the same thing, and here as well. But I want to show you a little hack. This website over here called Post Early is not a needed tool. It's not required, but it's a tool that will help you and automatically run your Instagram page and automate all of this for you completely on autopilot. It auto posts for you. It auto follows, unfollows people. Then make sure you click on the pricing tab just to show you what you're getting, and they're really not expensive at all. I personally use the professional account at $16 a month. You get viral hashtags to make your hashtags and your posts go viral. You can welcome DM anybody that follows you. For example, hey, thank you for following me. As a gift, here's a link to a free stock photo, and you can upload like a whole zip file to this website, and everyone that follows you, for example, then downloads that photo through this link, and you can make money online through the auto DM feature. And then over here you also got auto repost, so it automatically posts for you. So you can schedule like 30 posts every day for a month and post every day where you literally sit back. And what I like about the professional tool, you can do this with up to 16 accounts. So you can run and make 16 stock photo theme Instagram accounts go viral. So now you're making 16 pages and not one, which kind of sets up 16 streams of income from this. You can auto follow people, auto unfollow, auto like, and auto comment. Really, really good tool, and $16 a month is not expensive at all. I'm not an affiliate for this tool. You can just come over to postearly.com and you can go and use this tool if you like. Secondly, I want to show you this tool over here. I use this myself. I have it on my phone, called #expert. And all you do is, like on the screen over here, you enter a keyword, for example, like this. They entered New York City. All you do is click on generate hashtag. This app, if I scroll down a little bit more, like over here, will then generate done for you, trending, and popular hashtags that are trending right now related to that specific keyword. So you can, for example, type dog or puppy, and then all these hashtags will then pop up. You copy this, paste this when you post your Instagram photo in the caption section, and you can put the full image in bio, click on bio or something like that. Then with all these hashtags, then people from the explore page will find your page much faster. You get double the amount of likes, double the amount of followers. I've personally, since I've started using this app, seen about 150% to 200% increase in likes and followers. So definitely these are two amazing tools if you want to go and get viral at this and get thousands of downloads and make money online just like this over here. And what I suggest is come over, have a look at some of these Instagram pages, come over to stock photos, so just search stock photos on the Instagram search bar. So like this one over here is just all about flowers and stock photos. This one over here is looks like it's all about office, gym, and this is also a very good example. This one over here is all about funny, so just waiting for these to load. And this is actually a very good example. So you can see they still got their watermarks. It's just like memes and that. And if people want to download this, you can have like your link in bio. You can go and use this post early tool to go and automate these pages and make a ton of downloads and money online, as well as #expert. But if you guys want this Instagram marketing course, which will help you really blow the strategy up, this is why I specifically selected and purchased this Instagram marketing secrets for the strategy to help you blow this up. So all you need to do is leave a like on this video, subscribe down below with the bell on, and comment down below that you're ready. Then I'll reply with the link to this page over here where you can go and download this course. And also on the screen above, I'm going to quickly leave another free Instagram growth playlist for you guys to help you out even more. So all I suggest go and click on this playlist over here. There's about 50 to 100 videos from information that I've learned from paid courses in the past. It'll really help you out. Make sure to go click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you there.